Hey there! Our marketplace just got a major upgrade, making single recipient orders a breeze. In this video, we'll show you how to create a personalized gift in just a few simple steps. No more complicated processes or multiple pages to navigate. To start, log into your Giftpack account and head over to the Marketplace tab. Here you can browse and choose any gift that catches your eye. I'll select this candle as an example. Click the gift icon to add the product to your cart, which will then bring up our streamlined order form. You can easily add more items or remove any that you decide not to include. Next, you'll choose your recipient by typing in their name or email address. Just a quick reminder, you'll need to create a recipient profile in advance, which you can do under the Recipients tab. Be sure to watch the video guide mentioned in the description for more detailed information. Now it's time to craft a personalized message. You can use our AI-powered tool, Magic Composer, or write your own unique note for the recipient. If you have the recipient's shipping address, you can enter it here. But if you don't, no worries, we've got you covered. Finally, in the customization settings, you can send a test email to yourself to preview how the redemption email will appear to your recipient. You can also choose whether we send the email inviting them to claim their gift, or if you prefer to share the redemption link with them personally. You can even allow the recipient to select a different gift or donate their gift budget to one of our partnered charities by clicking on the corresponding icon. And that's it. All you need to do now is click the Place Order button, and your order will be processed shortly. Simple, right? So there you have it. Personalized gifting made simple. With just a few clicks, you can send a thoughtful and unique gift that's sure to impress. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply want to show your appreciation, our platform makes it easy to find the perfect gift. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gifting tips and updates. Happy gifting!